Hello, today I'm going to be showcasing the SuperGlobal variables. First, let's talk about the SuperGlobal variables. SuperGlobal variables are built-in variables that are always accessible in all scope, regardless of the scope. Below we can see all of these variables. For now, we're going to be looking at an example to demonstrate some of these examples, the ones we took in the last lecture. Example. I'm gonna show all of the SuperGlobals in one scenario. In 2012, a man goes by the name of Rajat McFarlane wanted to compete in a bodybuilding tournament which was held in South Africa, and to participate in this tournament he had to fill an appointment via the official tournament website with his personal information. Okay, now let's take this first code which uses wait, before we copy it. Yeah. In the above code, we use two SuperGlobal variables, post and request, to ask for personal info such as full name, email, and nationality. Using these variables, we ask some information from the user. Now, let me go ahead and copy the code to see how it works. Yeah, here's the code. We made 4 forms. Each one of these forms have a name to it. Like we ask for the first name, if name, ill name, email, nationality. And now we use the request method and the post. SuperGlobal, we also use the server SuperGlobal variable and the post SuperGlobal variable. If we type in the name, the system will register the name, but if we leave this gap empty, it will give us this message: first name is empty, and so on with all of the last name, the email, the nationality. If we fill in the blank, it will register in the system, like for email. But if we leave the email empty, it will give us this message: email is empty. Else no, else print the email. This is how it works. We type in the first name, the last name, email, and nationality. This is for the first code. This two super global variables, post and request, requested, and the some information. These two requested some information from Ratchet to add to the system and continue with the registration of the website. Now let's move on. Now the second super global variable asks for the age and the experience. Now let's see the code. In the above code, the global's super global variable is used to ask Ratchet to enter his age along with his time in the bodybuilding industry, the experience. Yeah. Now let me take this code and copy it to demonstrate how it works. Let me clean this. 31. Okay. This code is simple. It asks for his age. He entered the age, the industry time since he was training, time in the industry, bodybuilding industry, 6 years. Function, the system want to compute the age to addition to his the industry time, which was 6 years. And we created another variable called experience and use the addition method. Globals age plus global's industry time, which is this. We define them both, give values to them. Addition equal experience, print the experience, and here we got 31. Now, yeah, this is pretty much it. for the next code. In the above code, now for this code, this one. After filling all the necessary details, the website gives the final message to the user setting using the get SuperGlobal. Yeah, after filling all of the details and clicking register in the page, the system using the get SuperGlobal variable sends a message to the user, and this message is saying thanks for registering. Let us showcase that real quick. As you can see, thanks for registering using the get SuperGlobal. Now, and for the final SuperGlobal is the server. This asks for information, a lot of information actually, about the host, the address, the IP address, the name of the website, for example, the name of the link, and let's showcase that. Now, this from the website itself, the website that Ratchet registered in the bodybuilding tournament one. So if I copy this and print them in another website, the results will be different. But the system do it automatically when asked for the information. Like it's all stored inside of the system. But let's showcase it here. Of course, it's not gonna be the same. I already saw it. Let's do it again. Yeah, the same. Run the code. And here it is. It's gonna be different here because, as I told, it's depending on the website. But yeah, for example, PHP itself, it gives the index. This in the system, it's called index. PHP server name, the website name, I type it here. Host, and HTTP referer. It gives the version of the application, like I'm using Chrome, gives the version. And last but not least, the HTTP user agent, which is the Safari, which is stored in the system. And yeah, that was pretty much it. These are the super global variables that we took in the last online course. Thank you very much for listening.